Go.
Wait. Alright, let's go.
That number 1. At number 2.
Must have that.
Number 3. Ah.
Save number 1.
Oh, way over.
Right in the face. Right into the jaws. Come on. Oh. Okay. Love save. Kick save. Oh.
Number 4.
Hit it at my nuts. Oh! Where did that go?
It went way over there.
Oh.
Face shot.
Oh!
Oh, that's a good save there, folks. Oh. Ready for goal number 5?
Oh yeah.
Right here. Just testing them. Give me about 2 more shots. 1. Oh, it's number 5.
No go.
Yep, that one in.
Cool.
Ready? Here goes goal number 6. Just after these 2 shots.
Right at my chops. Oh, here we go, guys. No goal.
I suck right now.
Oh. Penis.
A Gillard on the breakaway. Aw.
Van Hals with the save.
Gillard, breakaway number 2.
Oh, Andrew Van Hals.
Kick save.
Massive kick save.
Gillard on his 3rd breakaway. Shoots it. Just over the net. Comes back off, gets his own rebound. Shoots. Save again, gets his rebound. Shoots. Save. Throws it up. Passes it to a man. He shoots. It's over. Shoots again. It's over again. Oh, and he saves it. Shootout. Game tied. 5-5. Gillard on the shootout. Gillard shoots. Oh, glove save by Van Alst. Alright, ready? It's tied 6-6 still, going on a 2nd shot. Gillard shoots. Goal! They win it!
In overtime.
That's how you play hockey.